Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a pyraminx. Let's get started. We have a YJ pyraminx here. So just give it a scramble. Okay, this looks good. So what you're going to want to do first is familiarize yourself with the pieces. So you may not be able to tell, but these are the centers. So the first step you want to do is solve the centers. Now, centers won't always be easy to put in. So the first thing I see is that this yellow center, I'm going to turn it over here because I see that these yellow centers can be turned over. So see this yellow center, I want to make it so these are all solved. So I'm turning the yellow one down. So I got these two, and the last one's right there. So I'm turning that in. But if you have a different case like this one, you won't always be able to do that. Like, see, because that one's over there. So you need to go to a completely different side. See, this side will work because see that one? That's one move away. I'm going to turn that up. That one's one move away, and same is one move away, and the same with this one. Now, the next step that I like to do, it doesn't really matter what order you do them in, except you just need to solve the centers first, and the last step, so for the first layer, it doesn't really matter what order, except you need to do for these next things I'm going to show you. So then you want to just, turn these parts in, and so it's really simple. See, this one, that's solved, this one, can just turn it up, and this one, just turn it in. So you got all of them solved. So you have all the centers and all of these solved. So next you want to get these pieces in. So you do that by, take this one for example, it's yellow and red. So where's the yellow and red slot? Right there, because yellow and red. So you want to turn that right under the slot. So that's not it. That is it. So you're going to turn it. So you want to bring the slot down. So you're going to turn it. So you're going to turn this one away. So it's right there. So then you can bring the slot down. And then see the piece right there? You can bring it in the slot and bring the slot back up. So now you have all of this solved. Now, another one, yellow and green. So you turn that. We're just going to leave it right here because then we see that that's the slot. We want to bring the slot down. We want to put the piece in the slot, and we want to bring the slot back up. So now we have this all solved. The last one, we do the same thing. Yellow and blue, bring the slot down, put the piece in the slot, bring the slot up. The next step we're going to do is this step for the last layer. So what we do first is we want to solve these centers. So this is not solved, but I can see we can just solve it that way. So now all the centers are solved. So next you want to solve this piece, so you can just turn it one way. And then this is the last part where you kind of need an algorithm. So what you want to do is turn this part on the left down. You want to put turn the part on the right down, and turn the part on the left up, and you want to turn the part on the right up. Now you want to hold it this way, or you can just do it with your pointer finger. So what you want to do is we're just basically going to put the piece back in the slot. So you turn it away, turn the slot down and put it in, and then bring the slot back up. And basically you repeat that a few times and here I'll go over it one more time. left down, left up, right up. Put the piece in. Just do that. Now, finally, you want to keep repeating that until you get one piece solved. So now this is all solved, this is all solved, this is all solved, and sorry about that, this is all solved. So now you want to hold this part, the solved piece, to the back. You want to start off by repeating the same thing. Right down, right up, left up. But instead of just doing one, putting the piece back in, that'd mess that piece up. What you want to do is turn it twice so you're not messing it up. Turn the slot up. Turn the yellow piece in the slot and turn it down. So that's basically how I solve a pyraminx. I'll go over it faster one more time so you can basically just remember. Give it a scramble. Okay, so first you solve the centers, then you solve these, then you put these pieces in, then you solve that, then you basically take a piece out, put a piece in, and then do it till that piece is solved. You put that at the back. Repeat the same thing except until you want to put the piece back in. You turn it twice so you don't mess up this piece. You turn the slot up. You turn the yellow piece in the slot. You turn the slot down. So that's how you solve pyraminx.